Hey you guys, it's Erin from theyouthmethod.com, and I'm here today because I have 3 new favorite butt lifting exercises. And I'm telling you, I have been working out for a long time and I absolutely love these. I've been doing them for about 6 weeks and I'm noticing a huge difference, not only in that area where your hamstring meets your butt, but also on this outside area here, and that's a particular problem area for me, or where I'm the least happy with my body, and I'm noticing amazing changes in that area. So just like all of my workouts, some of my workouts are body weight workouts. These 3 particular exercises are actually all sitting on the ground, but they're amazing for toning the butt and upper thigh area, so I love them. So I'm first going to show you, I think I've been telling a couple of you, and maybe on some videos, that I was just trained in bar. So why I like bar and why I'm getting certified in it is it really focuses on obviously posture and lengthening your muscles, but it really works on the health of your pelvis and your pelvis muscles, and that's so important, especially for women as we age, or if you've had kids and those pelvic muscles can become really weak. It can lead to incontinence, it can lead to back pain, just nothing that any of us want. So the bar classes really focus on pelvic mobility, stability, and strength. So one of the things that we talk about a lot in bar is a pelvic tuck. So what that is if you're just standing here normal, this is kind of what my normal is, but if you're tucking your pelvis in, you're kind of rounding out and pulling that tailbone down and under, so that's a pelvic tuck. In physical therapy terms, it's a posterior pelvic tilt, but really you're just tilting your pelvis backwards for that pelvic tuck. Okay, so I'm showing you that standing because it's going to be a little bit harder to see when I sit, but we're going to go into those 3 exercises now. So you're going to get into, actually this is similar to the position of, if you've seen my video for Z-sit mobility, it really opens up the flexibility of your hips, especially for rotation. So we're getting into that same position, but this time we're doing strengthening. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put your hands here, and you're going to see, I'll show you from the side too, but in this position you're going to do that hip tuck, but you're doing it all on the right side. So you're doing it on the leg that's in the back. So you're going to see, hopefully, my hip rotate. So we're going to go 1, 2. So I'm just doing the same tuck that I did standing, but I'm focusing all on the right side. Okay, I'll show you from the side too. So in that Z-sit position, I'm just squeezing, so my tailbone's coming under and my pelvis is tilting back. Okay, so that is the first exercise you're going to do, just to get that hip tuck kind of, so you get used to it. Okay, so then the next one I'll show you from the front again. This one's a little harder. So you're going to do that same hip tuck, but you're going to lift the ankle as you do it. Now, as you do this, make sure that you're not letting your upper body twist. You still want to be hips facing forward, chest facing forward, chest is up and open. Okay, now this, you are going to feel it, and that's why it's such a great exercise for the butt, and you're going to feel it on that upper back of your thigh. Okay. Now for all of these, what I'm going to suggest you do is about a minute of each of these exercises. And if you want to make it into a 10-minute workout, you would just repeat each one for a minute until you reach 10 minutes. But I just love this. I mean, you can feel it right away and you know it's really doing a great job to tone and tighten that area. So that's the second one. The third of my new favorite exercises is just one step above that, that's a little bit harder. You're going to still stay in this position, but then you're going to lift that whole leg off. So my knee is up, my ankle is up, and then you're going to push back. You're going to stay there, and then you're going to push. So again, you want your heel flexed, so toes are towards your leg, not away. You're not pointing your toes. And then I'm keeping a constant, I'm not letting my knee come forward. I'm keeping it back in line with my hip and then pushing back. So never let that knee come past the hip. It's at the hip and push, push. Okay, you are gonna feel this. I love it. It's so great for this area. Again, a minute if you can. If you can't do a minute, start with 30 seconds. But like I said, if you wanted to make this into a full 10-minute workout, you could do it for a minute each exercise until you reach the 10-minute mark. Really great. And I should not neglect to say you need to do it on the other side. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like it below. And comment below if there's other areas on your body that you would love a workout for. And also, be sure to check out my free gift below. It's wonderful because all of these workouts are great to tone certain areas and for your whole body too. But you also have to remember your nutrition. Nutrition plays a big part in how we look, because if our nutrition isn't on track and we've got excess fat in areas, even if we toned up our muscles, we might not be able to see those beautiful lean toned muscles if there's a layer of fat over them. So if you want a comprehensive plan that has workouts, meal plans, and recipes, be sure to download my free gift below. That comes with 3 days of workout plans, recipes, and meal plans, and it's called my 72-hour flat belly detox. I think you'll love it. No, I know you'll love it. People are loving it. It's a really great jump start for fat loss and to start some great 10-minute workouts. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel below. There's a button below there, the video, and that way you'll know when I post new videos. And if you can't find the button below or forget, there is a button right here you can subscribe to right now. So we'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.